We're here in Palmer, Massachusetts at 24 Meadowbrook. This great condo here. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. All right, as soon as I showed up here to this condo, I saw this deck and the pond view, and I was like, this is where we're starting. I love it out here. So let's go on inside. Let's meet Denise from Kushner Realty and have her show us around. What's up? How you doing?
How are you?
Oh. All right.
Welcome,
Thank you.
24 Meadowbrook.
Awesome.
Awesome condo.
Great.
Mile and a half from the Mass Pike.
Love it.
Let me
Palmer's
show
great.
you around.
All right, perfect. Let's do this.
The kitchen has a granite countertop, separate coffee bar, stainless steel appliances, gas range, eat-in island. Kitchen is open to the dining area for easy entertaining. Within the past 4 years, they've replaced the windows, remodeled the kitchen, main level, new laminate flooring, full bath on main level between kitchen and living room. Living room, cathedral ceiling, gas fireplace with a newer insert, leading to an oversized deck with a beautiful view of the pond. Upstairs bedrooms, all three, generous closet space, carpeted flooring, ceiling fans. This is one of the only condos that I know of that you can customize your own landscaping. So each unit looks like the unit of the owner. It doesn't look cookie cutter. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. Basement is partially finished with the bonus room, perfect for family room, home office, gym. The association offers a pond, a gazebo, outdoor pool, tennis courts, and a clubhouse with restrooms.
This is an unbelievable condo, Denise. If you agree and you want to get a private showing, hit Denise up. Her contact information's on the screen. It's Brad, the mortgage guy. This has been your local look. See you next time. We're out of here.